Elephant Money is one of my favorite projects, and now they're adding new ways to make passive income. I'm going to show you how to add liquidity and make passive income from trading fees. Also, pretty soon they're coming out with some farming opportunities, which is exciting. Let's take a look. To get started, we're going to need some elephant token, of course, some BUSD, and we're going to go to BuySwap.org. Before we add liquidity, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I look at the analytics for the channel, and 75% of the people that watch the videos have not subscribed. It doesn't cost anything, it's completely free. Just go down and hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. One thing to note, that on BuySwap there is no buy tax to buy elephant token. So the 8% tax, you do not have to pay that if you buy it on BuySwap. Okay, on first glance of BuySwap, it looks like a really nice exchange. Just like any other, they have an exchange and then you can add liquidity. They have some pretty cool blue chip farms we can take a look at real quick. ETH, BNB, Cardano ADA, VeChain even, Solana. There's a bunch of different ones here they get decent APRs. And then if we go into the analytics, which we're going to take a look at the Elephant BUSD liquidity pool, it currently has $254.98 thousand in it, and it's paying out the LP reward of 15.9% APR. So anytime anybody swaps Elephant for BUSD or vice versa, anybody that's providing liquidity will get a portion of the fee for the swapping fee. So that'll be paid out. They're showing right now it's variable, but right now it's a 15.89% LP reward APR. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add liquidity now. We're going to connect our wallet first. I didn't even know there was that many different wallets, but I guess there is. There's a lot there. Okay, we're going to add our MetaMask. And then we're going to go over here to liquidity. And I added some BUSD to my wallet, so we're going to add liquidity. And I don't know if I added Elephant yet. I did not, so I'm going to have to add the Elephant token. Yeah, I'm on CoinMarketCap to add the token, the Elephant token. If you just click on the box, you can add it to MetaMask. I already got it added to MetaMask, but just showing you how to do that. And then to get it on the exchange, we're going to have to copy the address. Then we're going to have to go back and then if we paste it, then we can hit that. So now we got Elephant here, and then we're going to add BUSD. And I'm just going to do a sample here. I'll do $100 of BUSD. And then that's going to add the amount of Elephant to make it 50-50. And we're going to have to go ahead and approve both tokens. Once both BUSD and Elephant have been approved, and we can go ahead and supply. Then we're going to receive 9.744 Elephant/BUSD pool tokens. So we're going to confirm supply. And we're going to confirm it in our MetaMask. Submitted. Okay, the transaction went through, and I've got 9.744 liquidity tokens. And there's $99.99 in BUSD, and then there's whatever that number is. It's like 958,660,000 Elephant tokens. I know most people have farmed before, but when the farm releases for the Elephant BUSD pool tokens, we'd go to farms here, and then you would add them to the farm pool, and then we get additional APR and rewards. And I think the reward token is BSW, so BuySwap token makes sense. So that should be coming anytime. I was looking in the Telegram group, and I asked multiple times in the Discord when and if it's for sure, and they say yes, that bank teller is working with BuySwap to get a farm together. So it should be coming in the coming days or weeks, and I will definitely give an update showing when that happens. I like how the Elephant team and bank teller are always trying to add new utility to the project. This is just another one to give people more passive income options. with the project. You know, you get the reflections from the elephant token already in your wallet. Now you can get the liquidity transaction fees, as well as pretty soon farm rewards, which is going to be awesome. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave in the comments what your favorite passive income project is. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.